Hello everyone, I am glad you have joined me for yet another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, Mwari wa Magi. Our previous lesson, we had a look at the greetings. I hope you're practicing. In today's lesson, we are going to have a look at the days of the week, the months, and much more. Firstly, we are going to have a look at the components that make a day, including seconds, minutes, and so on. And first, we go to the seconds. The Kikuyu language does not have the exact words for second, and it has gone to borrow the word from the English language. And second, in Kikuyu, we say cekondi. Cekondi. Minute, ndagika. Ndagika. Hour is idhaa. 1 hour is idhaa rimwe. 2 hours is mathaa mieri. 3 hours, mathaa matatũ. 3 Noon time is thaa thita cia mũthenya. 3 Midnight is ũtukũ gatagatĩ. Now is thaa ici. Or oro rĩu. Later is thaa ĩngĩ. Sunrise is riũa rĩkĩratha. Sunset is riũa rĩgĩthũa. Now to the day itself. Day in Kikuyu is Mithenya. Now focusing on the days of the week, which are Mithenya ya Kiumia, and we are going to start from the very first. Monday is Jumatatu. Tuesday is wakere. Wednesday is wetatu. Thursday is Kana. Friday is gatano. Saturday is Juma. Sunday is Kiumia. The said days of the week running from Monday to Sunday will make a week. A week in Kikuyu is Kiumia. And not to be confused with Sunday, which also goes for Kiumia. Therefore, days of the week are Jumatatu, wakere, wetatu, Kana, gatano, Juma, Kiumia. Now we are going to turn our focus onto the times of the day, which we'll call mahinda ma mũthenya. We are going to start from the morning is rũcinĩ. rũcinĩ. Daytime is Mithenya. Evening time is hwaĩ-inĩ. And night time is ũtukũ. Another concept we are going to look at is that of yesterday, today, and tomorrow in Kikuyu. Starting with yesterday is ira. Today is ũmũthĩ. Tomorrow is rũciũ. The day after tomorrow is ooke. Another one that I'm going to squeeze in here is every day is mũthenya. Hence, if at all, angĩkorwo. Yesterday was ira kũrarĩ. Monday, which is Jumatatu. Then today would be ũmũthĩ nĩ Tuesday, wakerĩ. Then tomorrow will be rũciũ gũgakorwo kwĩ Wednesday, wetatũ. Thereby the day after tomorrow being ooke gũgakorwo kwĩ Thursday is Kana. So if we put that in a sentence in Kikuyu, then it will read angĩkorwo ira kũrarĩ Jumatatũ, ũmũthĩ nĩ wakerĩ, rũciũ nĩ wetatũ, na ooke nĩ Kana. Now, having looked at that, we have learned the days of the week that team up to make a whole week, which in Kikuyu we call Kiumia. And the plural for week is weeks, which in Kikuyu we say ciumia. Therefore, Kiumia, ciumia. The weeks team up to make a month. 4 weeks to be precise make a month, which we call mieri. And the plural for month is months, giving you mieri in Kikuyu. So mieri. And from now, we are going to look at the various months, starting with January is mwambĩrĩrio. February is mweri wa kerĩ. March, mweri wa gatatũ. April, mweri wena. May, mweri wa gatano. June, mweri wa ĩtandatũ. July, mweri wa mũgwanja. August is mweri wa ĩnana. September, mweri wa kenda. October is mweri wa ikumi, mweri wa ikumi. November is mweri wa ikumi na umwe, mweri wa ikumi na umwe. December ni mweri wa ikumi na eri, mweri wa ikumi na eri, or better still, Dithemba. So the months that add up to make miaka, that is the year, starting from January is mwambĩrĩrio, mweri wa kerĩ, mweri wa gatatũ, mweri wena, mweri wa gatano, mweri wetandatũ, mweri wa mũgwanja, mweri wenana, mweri wa kenda, mweri wa ikumi, mweri wa ikumi na ũmwe, mweri wa ikumi na ĩrĩ, kana Dithemba. So a combination of many months, that is 12 months, will give you 1 year, which is miaka. And the plural for year is years, miaka. Therefore, miaka. And on that note, we have come to the end of our lesson for today. It is my sincere hope that your days will never be the same again as you slowly but surely learn the Kikuyu language. Please remember to subscribe and to comment. I would love to hear from you. Please join me in the next lesson as we focus on the body parts. Until then, it's goodbye for now.